Hello, COVID, my old friend. You've got me trapped inside again, where I've been stress eating lots of cheese ever since I heard my neighbor sneeze. Now I'm hiding inside with the lights turned off. Was that a cough? I'm cowering from the sounds of virus. In stockless shelves I walked around, no toilet paper to be found. I ask a cashier where it all went. She says they're waiting on their next shipment. When will it get here? All she can do is say, not today. The empty aisles echo the sounds of virus. On my naked ass I sat alone, pretending I would work from home. Now they want a teleconference. No way in hell will I put on pants or a shirt. I just don't give a damn. I'll cover the cam and just broadcast the sounds of virus. How teachers do it, I don't know. I just hand the kids my phone. Go ahead, have some more screen time, while I try not to lose my mind. Oh Lord, is that baby shark again? I can't listen to any more sounds of virus. Still the red states bow and pray to this neon clown they made. Congratulations, President Dumbfuck. Thanks to you, we are all now stuck in our homes for who knows just how long, rewriting songs that have become the sounds of virus.